What's good, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Stamina, aka Hype Overnight. This video is sponsored by the Prolific Shop. Thank you so much for sending this big box. We have a big project coming on the way, so stay tuned for that. All the links in the description to follow is down below. So let's get into this box right now so I can show you guys what the Prolific Shop has to offer in terms of streetwear. Woo! Boom! We have this Prolific hoodie right here. This is the one with the skeleton and the rhinestones. As you guys can see, this is what the skull hoodie looks like. It is crazy. You have the skull on the hood, silver zipper. You got the rhinestones all over. Keep in mind, this also comes in multiple colors, which you can purchase on the website as well. You guys know me, I love my puff print. Woo! It says, re-rise by lifting others. Puff print is such good quality. Can't wait to put this on people and also wear this myself. Damn, and now we have this nice purple hoodie. This purple washed hoodie is crazy. Look at that, guys. And I like the purple. I love the contrast with the gray. And I love how it feels a little oversized. It's nice and thick as well. Hello, guys, which piece is your absolute favorite? I think this one right here for me is the winner. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, though.